Alright, welcome again, Military Gunner TV. Sorry I'm not in the studio today to give you something from the studio, but guess what? As I said before, I have to release something. Now, it is actually the morning after, or basically the day after, because this is actually been uploaded a bit late. So, Arsenal 1, Wolverhampton 2, Arsenal 1. As I said before, it was a really awkward game, or weird, very weird, and it makes the game extremely hard to analyze. But I'm going to take my time and break it down. But what I want to get into is a bit of what is happening. I see happening in the Premier League right now, and I see a repetitive act of disgrace in regards to Arsenal Football Club. Numerous situations where this particular referee have ref games for Arsenal Football Club, and he has took the audacity to go against us, and in the most blatant and undeniable way. Now, I can remember our game against Chelsea where Jorginho should have gotten a red card, and Jorginho was the one who scored the winner. Now, in this game, I won't say we deserve to win the game, but up until halftime, we were the most dominant team in the game. We were controlling the game. Everything in aspect of the game was in our hand. But guess what? Nicolas Pepe scored a goal in which I could say it can be the goal of the season across Europe. But Craig Pawson decided that he wanted the show for himself. So he took the floor and performed. It was never about the footballers. It was never about the players on the pitch. It was always about the referees. It is always about VAR. Where can we start watch and enjoy a football game in regards to it just contextually being football and not about referees or VAR decisions? When the time is going to come in which fair play is split right down the middle, and not some in some manner that other teams are getting preference over some. Now, the worst part about it is that we have witnessed the disgraceful performance from one referee in the Arsenal versus Wolverhampton game, and fast forward about 10 minutes later, another disgraceful performance has begun again from another referee. One out of favour for Arsenal and one in favour for Manchester United. And I'm seeing a trend right now where it is as if they want Manchester United to win this league. And personally, I think that would really hurt me. And if Manchester United should win the league this season, I'll just give up on football. I will definitely give up on football because it is unfair. It is very unfair what is happening in football right now. Especially what is happening around Arsenal Football Club. It is not okay for a referee to just randomly issue a player a red card. It is not okay. We have seen situations even close enough where Emile Smith-Rowe made a tackle on a Newcastle player, and the referee's first initiative was to give Emile Smith-Rowe a red card. That was the referee's first initiative. Yes, VAR did well in that game in regards to that call. But what about other teams? The inconsistency for other teams, not only Arsenal Football Club. The consistency for Manchester United. Why is it consistently going in favour of Manchester United? Where are the consistency for teams such as West Ham? Where are the consistency for teams such as Wolves? Where are the consistency for a team on the bottom half of the table as well? Their VAR is in place for fair deal to be struck right across the board. But yet still it is used in favour of other teams. And that is very unfair to the whole aspect of football. I find it very hard just to analyze yesterday's game because of the context of the game. It made the game just a weird game and a weird outcome. I am very pleased with the first performance. We could have easily been three goals up. easily. We were dominating them. But we have to move on. But I think this VAR, what we're seeing right now is something that we see similar last season, where Liverpool were getting so many preferred options or preference in regards to the VAR, and now we're seeing Manchester United getting it. So it's the case in which you just have to analyze which team VAR is going with to know the outcome of the season. Is that the case now? Where whichever team VAR is showing preference to, they are the team that is going to win the league. It could be possible, but it's just a theory. It is just a theory. Anyways, just my little take on the VAR and what is happening right now. Military Gunner TV. Please make sure you subscribe. Ensure you subscribe. Guess what? I am out.